Good noon, everyone. Today we discuss about in a mass transfer operation 1, unit number 5, gas absorption, most important chapter in GTO exam 14 to 21 marks theory. Okay, तो start करिए આપણે gas absorption. First of all, the equilibrium solubility of the gases, introduction part, and ideal and non-ideal solutions જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, તો start करिए first in a gas absorption. This one importance chapter in a 14 to 21 marks. Okay, first of all the introduction part. What is the absorption? Okay, the gas absorption is an operation in a gas mixture is contact with a liquid is called as the gas absorption case. Okay, for the purpose of perfectly in the dissolving one or more component of the gas and provide the solutions of them in the liquid simply. Okay, the gas absorption is an operation which one for a gas mixture is connected with a liquid solvent. Okay, connected with a liquid for the purpose of preferentially dissolving one or more component of the gas by gas and provide a solutions of them in a liquid basis. Okay, for example જોઈએ આપણે the gas from byproduct coke oven in a wash with water. શું કરીએ છીએ આપણે byproduct of coke શું છે the gas from byproduct coke oven in a wash in water to remove ammonia. શું remove કરીએ એમાંથી ammonia remove કરીએ છીએ એટલે કે NH3 content remove. Okay, and again with an oil to remove benzene and toluene vapor. આ એક એક્ઝામ્પલ જો આપણે એબ્ઝોર્પ્શનનું. ઓકે, તો ઓબ્જેક્ટેબલ હાઇડ્રોજન સલ્ફાઇડ is removed to such as a gas or from naturally occurring hydrocarbon gases by washing with various alkaline solution in which it is absorbed. The valuable solvent vapors carried out a gas stream can be record from reuse to by washing the gas with an appropriate solvent of the for the vapors part. Okay, such operation require mass transfer operation in a substance from the gas stream of the liquid જે આપણે પેક ટાવર અને ટેટ ટાવરમાં ઓલરેડી જોઈ ગયા છે. Okay, when mass transfer occurs in the opposite direction, which one? The mass transfer occurs in the opposite direction from the liquid of the gas liquid of the gas and the gas the any operations is called desorption કહેવાય છે એને or stripping part. For example, the benzene and the toluene are removed from the absorption part. Oil mansard above the connecting the liquid solutions with steam, whereupon the vapors enters the stream liquid and the are carried out away from the absorption part. Oil can be again used. Okay, when the particular of both absorption or desorption are basically the same, we can study both operations at that time the same time for example. Okay, simply then the ordinarily these basis operation are used for a solid recovery or solid removal. Okay, the separation of solute from each other any importance extent required the fractionation technique of distillation જે આપણે ઓલરેડી આખું ડિસ્કસમાં જોઈ ગયા છે full point માં simply. Okay, this is the introduction part. Simply the gas absorption કોને કહેવાય? The gas absorption is an operation. Okay, is an operation the which a gas mixture is connected to the liquid. Gas mixture હોય એમાં connect to the liquid થાય of the preferentially dissolving one or more component of the gas and provide a solution. Okay, after in a liquid basis. કોઈ બી એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ આપણે the gas from a byproduct coke or even oven is washed with water to remove ammonia and again with an oil to remove benzene and toluene vapors. Objectionable hydrogen sulfide is removed from such as a gas or from naturally occurring hydrocarbon gases by washing with various alkaline solutions in which it is absorbed. Okay, the valuable solvent vapors carried out by the gas stream can be recovered from reuse by washing the gas with a appropriate solvent for the vapors. Such operations require mass transfer of a substance from the gas streams to the liquid. Okay, when the mass transfer occurs in the opposite direction from the liquid to the gas, the operation is called desorption or stripping part. For any example, be the benzene and toluene are removed from the absorption, the oil mentioned above by connecting the solution also, okay, with steam, whereupon the vapors enter the gas stream and are connected for a carried out away. The absorption oil can be used again. Okay, ફરી પાછો એને use કરીશું આપણે. Okay, and the absorption oil can be used again since the principle of the both, which one? This one principle, both absorption and desorption basically the name same, basically the same part. We can study both operation at the same time. Okay, and ordinarily the operation are used only the solute recovery or a solute removal part, separation of solutes also from each other, any important part for extent required, the fractionation technique or distillation part. Okay, simply the which one part today discuss equilibrium solubility of gases in a liquid. This is the first point. શોર્ટ આઉટમાં પૂછી શકવાની શક્યતા વધારે છે 3 માર્ક્સ માટે. બરાબર, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. Simply the rate of which in a gaseous constituent, which one? Equilibrium solubility of gases in liquid, the rate at which a gaseous constituent of a mixture with dissolve in an absorbent liquid depends upon the departure from equilibrium which exists, and therefore it is necessary to consider the equilibrium characteristics of gas liquid system. Sorry, a very brief discussion part to the such equilibrium matters was presented in unit number 5. What are same absorption with required here. Okay, simply in a two component system and a multi component system details માં આપણે જોઈશું. ઓકે, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ટુ કોમ્પોનન્ટ સિસ્ટમ આ ગ્રાફિકલી બેઝિસમાં આપણે જોવાના છે. ટુ કોમ્પોનન્ટ સિસ્ટમ. Simply the equilibrium solubility of gases in liquid part માં the rate at which a gaseous constituent of a mixture will dissolve in an absorbent liquid depends upon the departure from equilibrium which exists, and therefore it is necessary to consider the equilibrium characteristics of gas liquid system. A very brief discussion to the such matter was presented in a આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ કોમનને કહેવાય છે. બરાબર, તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ડિસ્કસ કરીએ આપણે ટુ કોમ્પોનન્ટ સિસ્ટમમાં. ઓકે, ઇટ ઇઝ અ ટુ કોમ્પોનન્ટ એટલે કે એક કરતા બે કરતા વધારે કોમ્પોનન્ટ. ઓકે, એક અને બે કોમ્પોનન્ટ, અને મલ્ટી કોમ્પોનન્ટ એટલે એ બે કરતા વધારે. સોરી, ઇટ ઇઝ અ quantity of a single gas and a relatively non-volatile liquid are brought to the equilibrium in a matter described for a unit number 5 already discussed. Okay, the resulting concentration of the dissolving gas in the liquid is said to be the gas solubility at the prevailing temperature and pressure. At a fixed temperature also the solubility concentration will increase the pressure in the manners. So for example curve જોઈશું આપણે ફિગર 8.1 માં જોઈએ. ઓકે, આ ફિગર છે 1 તમારી 8.1. કયા બેઝ સોલ્યુશન ઓફ ગેસીસ, ધીસ વન. Okay, solubility of gases. Okay, તો એક તો એમોનિયા આપ્યું છે તમને, સલ્ફર ડાયોક્સાઇડ છે અને HCl છે. ઓકે, ગ્રાફ કોના કોના વર્સિસ છે? The partially pressure of solute in gas and a mole fraction of the solute in a liquid. Okay, the P bar અને આ બાજુ X. X એ તમારો મોલ ફ્રેક્શન છે. Okay, and then the solubility of gases in a part figure 8.1. Okay, the quantity of a single gas, literally the non-volatile component, liquid are brought to the equilibrium stages is the manners described in this chapter. The resulting concentration of the dissolved gas in the liquid is said to be the gas solubility. Okay, is said to be the gas solubility and the prevailing temperature and pressure also. Okay, if the quantity of a single gas and a relatively non-volatile component, a liquid are brought to the equilibrium manners, જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા છીએ, and the resulting concentration of the dissolving gas in the liquid is said to be the gas solubility. At the prevailing temperature and pressure, at the fixed temperature also, the solubility concentration will increase the pressure in the manners. For any example of curve A, okay, this one. Okay, this curve for ammonia 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, for ammonia એ જે curve A માં આપણને બતાવ્યું છે. Okay, in the figure 8.1 which show the solubility of ammonia in water at 30 degrees Celsius, જે આપણે ગ્રાફિકલ સિસ્ટમમાં જોયું એ પ્રમાણે. Okay, the different gases and liquid yield separate solubility curve which must ordinarily determine experimentally for each system if the equilibrium pressure of a gas at the given liquid concentration is high. Okay, the different gases and liquid yield separate solubility, the curves which must be ordinarily be determined experimentally for each system. If the equilibrium curve in the part for figure 8.1, the curve B, the pressure of gas at a given liquid concentration is high, as in the cases of the curve B, and the gas is said to be relatively insoluble in the liquid while it is very low, as for a curve C, the solubility is said to be the high, but these are relatively matters for this basis curve. Okay, જે curve C છે HCl નો આપ્યો છે તમને, જે ડોટેડ લાઈન છે તો E છે, એ જે એમોનિયા છે 10 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ માટે, અને એમોનિયા સિન્થેસિસ છે 30 ડિગ્રી માટે, જે ફર્સ્ટ ગ્રાફિકલી કર્વ છે એ. ઓકે, only for this basis. Okay, only for it is possible to produce any ultimate gas concentration, the liquid part, sufficient pressure in applied so long as liquefied. Okay, from the gases and the completely soluble in the liquid માં શામાં soluble છે? Completely liquid માં soluble છે. Okay, the solubility of any gas is influenced by the temperature in a manner described by Van 't Hoff's law, the mobile equilibrium. The temperature of a system in a equilibrium part, it is raised that a change will occur with will absorbed heat is usually but not always the solution of a gas result in an evolution of heat, and it follows that in most of cases the solubility of a gas decreases with an increasing part for a temperature. As an example, for a curve A, જે આપણે ફિગરમાં જોઈ ગયા છે, ammonia in a water at 30 degree Celsius માટે, lies above the concentration and the corresponding curve at a 10 degree Celsius. Okay, this one. Okay, this one goes under 10 degree Celsius. ammonia માટે બી બતાવ્યું છે. આ બાજુ 30 degree Celsius છે. Okay, for ammonia in a water 30 degrees Celsius, and the lights above the corresponding curve is at 10 degrees Celsius. At the boiling point of this solvent, provided its vapor pressure is less than that of the gas or vapor, the gas or vapor solute, the gas solubilities will be 0. On the other hand, the solubility of many of these low molecular weight for gases such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, methane and others in water increase with increased temperature above at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and therefore at a pressure, for atmospheric pressure, okay, this phenomena can be the usually exploited. For example, જોઈએ આપણે in operations such as certain are leaching operations છે, where oxygen bearing solution are required for a quantitative treatment of such equilibrium in beyond the scope of this book. For a excellent treatment are these available. Okay, is a two component system. Multi component system આપણે છે ને નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું ડિટેલમાં, અને સાથે સાથે આનું બી રિવિઝન કરીશું આપણે. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે મલ્ટી કોમ્પોનન્ટ સિસ્ટમ. થેન્ક યુ.